Alright, welcome to the April edition of our best apps video, and in this video I'll show you an app that will change your entire outlook of editing photos on your smartphone. An app that is so powerful that it supercharges your entire status bar and makes simple tasks easier for you. And another app that will help you reach different corners of your smartphone screen with a single tap. Just like subscribing to our channel is a single tap away, and while you're at it, why not hit that bell icon as well so that you do not miss out on any of our latest videos. So hello everyone, this is Robin here from Gadgets 360, and without any further ado, let's get right on with this video. The first app on our list is Retouch, which is by far the simplest photo editing app I have ever used. Trust me when I tell you the app can do wonders. The homepage shows you some tutorials and information about using the app that you should definitely read to check out what all the tools can do. After choosing an image to edit, you get an array of options to tweak around your image. You can remove certain parts of the image that you think shouldn't be there by using the brush tool or even the lasso tool for precise edits. The quick repair tool is also very handy, and you can edit out a certain part of the capture within seconds. The line removal tool here can also be very helpful if there are some wires tangling in your pictures that you need to get rid of. This app cost 130 rupees, and in my opinion it's totally worth the asking price. The app lets you select particular paragraphs from various articles which can then be turned into reminders. If you are someone who tends to forget chores or maybe some article you wanted to finish, this app can help you with that. You can select the text from an article in the traditional way that you always do, but now instead of hitting copy, you have to click the two buttons right here and then scroll down to put in NC, which basically means put in notification center. This will immediately create a tab on the app and pin a notification of that exact sentence. You cannot remove that notification by swiping right or left or by clearing the notification bar entirely. It will be ticked off after you hit dismiss. The free version of this app lets you select text up to 15 times. You can even add reminders from the app itself and then create and add a notification. What if I tell you that you can control almost every quick setting of your phone by just sliding left or right on the display while making your status bar look fancy? Yes, that can be done thanks to Super Status Bar. You can customize the look and feel of the status bar entirely. Maybe you want it to look like iOS, or maybe you want to give it an outline look. Well, that's something you can definitely mess around with and choose the one you like. The best part about this app is you can add sliders to the status bar itself, and this has to be the most useful feature of it all. I have added the brightness slider on it, and whenever I need to adjust it, I can just slide along the lines of the status bar instead of opening up the notification panel and then readjusting. You can also add gestures to the status bar itself. Some of the gestures include taking a screenshot, locking the screen, opening a shortcut, and etc. Opening an app or turning on the flashlight via gestures is a paid service. Sometimes while watching videos on YouTube or while watching a show on Netflix, my fingers might hit a certain place on the screen and I often skip forward when I don't want to. Enter Touch Lock. The app does a simple yet effective job by locking your screen while media is being played in the background, so that you do not mistakenly hit a certain part of the screen and go 5 to 10 minutes forward or back. You can enable or disable the lock by just hitting the buttons that show up in your notification panel. The tall aspect ratio of our smartphones nowadays can be a bit tiring to reach. Quick cursor here helps us with just that. You can add two triggers. I have added one each on the right and left side of the display. You can now swipe from the sides of a display and a cursor will appear. Now if you want to reach the top part of your phone, or maybe if you are just feeling too lazy, you can definitely use this app. Unfortunately, you cannot add gestures or change the tap behavior in the free version. So these were our topics for the month of April. Which app will you be downloading first? Let us know down below in the comment sections, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.